Hello there, Barb Pritchard here of Infinity Brand Design, and I'm going to show you now how to update colors, change those colors for text and graphics from the Elements menu over there on the left in Canva. So say, for example, we're working in a template. Maybe we don't necessarily know exactly what, maybe we don't have a branding or whatever, or maybe we do, but we're just kind of playing around, but we're not crazy about this gold color. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to left click on it, and you see up here at the top it brought up this text menu, and I'm going to left click on the text color, which is this A with a color bar beneath it. I'm going to left click on that color bar, and it brings up the document colors and a myriad of other things as well. So here you can either, click around on the document colors. You can choose this glorious purple, any of these colors that are available to you. You could left click on the rainbow, the custom color creator, which is the rainbow box with the plus sign there. You could enter in, copy and paste your hex code, whatever you want to do there. You can even, let's see, you can just scroll down and utilize some of the complementary colors from the photos, which would be great. These would kind of blend well with the uh, current photos that are included with the template, or you can utilize some of these default colors. So perhaps maybe you're like, oh, you know what? I kind of like this dark turquoise color. Let's try this. And if you notice, if there's any of these colors that you currently chose, like this gold color, and it repeats throughout the template, you'll see you get this change all option down here at the bottom. And you can go ahead and click on that, see what happens. It changed all of the text that was that gold color. However, you'll also notice that it didn't change the color of the graphics that were in that. That's okay. We can still fix that in a pretty easy manner as well. Say you want it in that same color too. So I'm going to left click on that arrow. And what it's going to do is it's also going to bring up this shape editing tool. I'm going to left click on the color box right here. It's going to bring up very same menu, right? And then we know that this is the same color because it's the only other color there that is that same kind of dark turquoise color. I'm going to left click on that. And then it's given me the option to change all. So I'm going to click on that as well. And you see it did the same thing. It changed it down here. Now, what I would suggest if this is, it's kind of a dark color, I would suggest changing this shape because it's kind of a dark to a white just to kind of make it pop. I don't recommend in this case changing this to all because this would make all of these. Um, white, and then this, I would recommend changing this to white, just kind of a food for thought to make that pop, and you see how it pops now, to make it a little bit more easier to read against that dark background. Something else I would love to bring to your attention is that say you did something and you're like, oh, no, 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 I didn't mean to do that, or oops, I moved something, or you made a mistake in Canva, or you don't like this color and you want to go back to the original color, something along those lines. Canva has an undo tool. You can either left click on this to your heart's desire, or you can do Control Z, Command Z if you have a Mac, and you can undo almost anything. So I say almost anything. I'm pretty sure you can undo anything that you do. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.